All right, super awesome buy today at Walter Andersen Nursery in Southern California, San Diego area. I bet you can find these. So I got 3 varieties today because they were just so large, I just couldn't say no. So this guy's huge. I don't know much about it, but I know that this is the tastier yellow, I believe. I'm gonna look into it. That puppy, 25 bucks. And then Sugar Dragon, and believe it or not, look at that. It's got a blossom. So how cool is that? The Sugar Dragon seems really happy, really thick cutting. Wow, look at that. So, only bummer is it came in was Argentine ants, but we have so many. I just told them, welcome to the club. They'll be happy here. And then look at this guy, red flesh variety, Makisupa. So, I don't have any of these, but thought we'd let them join in to the madness. Look at the size of these cuttings for about 25 bucks. You can get them yourself at Walter Andersen Nursery, and this was the only one with a blossom, but I thought that was pretty cool. So it may drop, it may stay. I'm gonna put them into one of these guys right now and see how they do. All right, give us a like, subscribe. You'll see what happens next with these guys. All right, have a great day. Take care.